Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making kaki fry, deep fried oyster. Oysters are in season in Japan around February and March. They become nice and fat and reach the peak of flavor. Sometimes we eat them raw, sometimes in a hot pot, but our favorite way to eat oyster is deep fried. And it is one of the most popular way to eat oysters in Japan. Here are the ingredients. We have some fresh oysters. In the US, we can find a 10-ounce jar like this one that contains about 8 pieces of oysters. We use salt and pepper for seasoning. And for breading, we have all-purpose flour, egg, and panko breadcrumbs. You also need some vegetable oil for deep frying and tonkatsu sauce if you like. First, we gently wash oyster in the salt water. You don't need to soak them for a long time, but gently clean the surface in a bowl. Transfer them onto the paper towel and gently pat dry the surface. And sprinkle some salt and pepper to season them. Now we are going to bread the oysters. First, we coat them lightly with flour and then dip it in the egg. And the cover with breadcrumbs. It's nice to have plates side by side, and this is exactly the same way we make other fried food like tonkatsu, deep fried pork, and korokke. Heat the oil in a skillet to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit and gently drop the oysters into the oil. It doesn't take much to cook the oysters through. Turn them a couple of times and fry until golden brown, about 3 minutes. Then transfer them onto a paper towel. Just like tonkatsu, we like to serve fried oysters with shredded cabbage. It's pretty much the standard in Japan to serve katsu with cabbage. You can squeeze some lemon juice on top if you like, and pour the tonkatsu sauce over if you have it. Or tartar sauce would be great too. It's crispy outside and soft and creamy inside. If you like oysters, you should definitely try this.